Okay, so welcome. Namaskar, good evening, hello. Welcome to the new webinar of Olymp Trade, guys. My name is Hemant Modi and I'm a financial analyst of Olymp Trade broker. So again, a warm welcome to all of you. We are going to discuss today about some different things, some different topic, many things. Let me provide you some details of mine. As you already know, some people's not. I'm the financial analyst of Olymp Trade broker who is helping the traders to get some more beneficial things, more beneficial news, and etc. etc. We always providing the consultations, webinars to different channels. Like we have an Indian channel, we have an English channel, and other languages also, Hindi, English, and some other languages also. So why we are providing all these things? We are providing this all things. Why? Because we want you to learn and earn. Because the processing of earn can be only starts from the learning. Earning cannot become without learning. All right. So whenever you have any kind of questions, please, I would like to request you, please send your all questions in the chat box. I will definitely going to provide you the answer of all those questions, but after the topic ends. So please be patient, and I hope that I will give you the proper consultation today. And don't worry, and some people's like having kind of not having patience and asking the same question time to time. Do not worry, I'll provide you the each and every answer of every question. So please be with me and enjoy the consultation. Thank you. Okay, so we are going to discuss about today the triple rebound strategy. Before starting that, what is the strategies? And strategies is a computerized tool basically that can help you to get some kind of signals in your trading, and that signals can help you to gain some money basically. And why only strategies? Because right now I have a graph on my screen and I'm not able to predict it. Before starting this strategy in all situation, guys, let me provide you some kind of basic things. Most of the peoples here who just want to come and who join the Olymp Trade to get some money, and without any knowledge we are start the trading on the with this application, without don't knowing how to trade, where to trade, what is the proper trend, what is a uncertain trend. So always remember we have three types of trend. And what is that? As of you right now, you see that this is the trend of the upper trend, which we can say when the price is moving up from the downwards. And one trend which we call downtrend, when we already saw that the price is going down from the upwards. So this is the two trend. What about the third trend? The third trend, which we call the trend of uncertainty, like sideway trend. What, like the trend is moving in a particular range or particular area, but at least we had some chances to open the trades with that and we are getting some kind of money. But where to not open the trade, this is more important than where to open the trade. So this chart which you see on my screen right now, that is called chart of uncertainty, candles of the uncertainty. Meaning is this is the candle where we always do not find any kind of trend, and mostly we are getting the unsuccess results on this trend. So when you got the one candle green, one candle red, one candle green, one candle red, try to not open the trade. And we have the many of the assets which is the having 93% profitability to minimum 80% profitability. Use that. Whenever you find a trend of any asset, open the trade with the trend. Do not follow the one asset, or do not stick and bound with the one asset. It can be harmful for your trading. So after every two successful trade, you can continue the trade with the same asset. But if after the two unsuccessful trades, try to change your assets. Because if you're gonna do it, definitely you need to change the, like we are when we are driving a car or riding a bike, we definitely need to change the gears always. So in that situation, we need to change the asset, timing, as well as the strategies also. That's why we are providing the different strategies to you guys. All right, so from where we can find the strategies? Here we have the option which we called technical analysis. Seems like Eiffel Tower. Whenever you are going to open this with the phone application, you will have this to near to this indexes area. Just in front of this indexes area, you can find over here the technical analysis option. Once you clicked on it, you will get a chance to find there is 5 sections, which is indicator, oscillator, drawing, strategies, and advisors. So indicator, oscillator are also the tools, but the strategy can provide you the proper signals with the proper parameters of the indicators and oscillator, like that. We go to the strategies. We will have here overall strategies, which is, if you are an expert status holder, guys, you will have a chance to get all 23 strategy. So this strategy belongs to the stats. The blue badge strategy, which is belongs to the starter status holders. Like if you are a starter status holder, you will only have a chance to get these strategies 8. If you become an advanced status holder, then this 8 plus 7 strategies with the green badge, that is going to be 15. And if you are become the expert status holder, in that case you will have 8 more strategies. So overall 23. So here we are discussing today one more strategy of expert status holder, that is called triple rebound. We gonna click it. There is a small video. However, you can watch this short video also if you have any kind of problem, for just a reminder in a short way, or if you have any kind of confusion, you can watch my video also. It's going to be appear here in YouTube also. No worries. The basics are written over there of this strategy and the components. Now what we need to do, we just need to enable the strategy time, and that's it. The strategy is going to set on our account. Now what to do with those guys who's not having an expert status holder? Like if you are not having the expert status holder, are you not able to get this strategy? Unfortunately no, but I'm giving you one situation from that you can have a chance to get this strategy. All right, so again you need to go to this section called technical analysis. Then if you open, then you will find like this. Go to the oscillator section, then you need to find the oscillator second one called RSI. So one time you need to click, then second time you need to click to the RSI, then third time you need to click to the RSI. Now you have the 3 RSI, but if you can check over here, if you can check, you can see here this is the RSI with the 14 14 14. Now just remember, in the starting way I told you, if you choose a strategy directly, then you will have a chance to get the details with the standard setting. But if you choose by the oscillator and all, these are coming with the by default setting. So what you need to do, don't be panic. Go to the RSI 1, set it with the parameter 7, enter. Then go to the RSI 14 third one and set with the 21, enter. Now we have this RSI. So the RSI is here. Now let's discuss how the RSI is, this all strategy triple rebound is working, what is the basics of this strategy, and how to deal with it. Okay. Yeah, all right, get set go. So RSI is the strategy which is working fine with the fixed time trade as well as the forex trade also. You can even work, and this is the most one of the effective strategy according to the situation of the technical things. So this is strategy basically based on the 3 RSI with the parameter 7, 14 and 21. And this is the down one is 7, the middle one is 14 and the upper one is 21. Triple rebound strategy basically is a counter trend system. Counter trend system means the system which is showing the most probable point of correction and trend reversal. It is based on the principle that price always change in the waves. After any impulsive movement, there will be a correction. What is the meaning of that? Counter section. There is a two type of strategies. One is trend strategy. Trend strategy working like that. Okay. Upper trend, downtrend. But when we see a reversal, or when we found a reversal pattern on the trend, and on the opposite section or a correction section, when we are working with that strategy, that is called the counter trend. So I opened a trade in front of you before, and I got a profitable trade because I opened the trade on the time. Please, one request with you all guys, please do not do copy trading with me. Why? Because this is the broadcast, live broadcast. But when I'm saying something here to you, and it will come to you after some second, so maybe it means this is a little bit around maybe less than 10 seconds, and trades is very risky, and 1 second is also very important. So please just understand what I'm saying, just watch what I'm showing, according to that do some practice please. So basically, in order to trade efficiently with this strategy, you need to understand about what is the RSI indicator or oscillator. So again, I'm discussing the components of the strategy. As I already mentioned you, the triple rebound strategy, in that we have 3 RSI, 7, 14, 21. That is also called the fast, medium and slow. So which one is fast, which one is medium, and which one is slow? The lower one means 7. That is a fast one. The 14 one is a medium one, and 21 is a slower one. So this 3 is working here. When fast and medium RSI are become overbought or oversold, so we need to look at the slowest one, means 21st line, and if this line is near to an overbought and oversold zone, then we make a trade. I will tell you what is overbought and what is oversold. So when at least 2 lines of RSI indicator, which 2 lines? RSI 7 and RSI 14. If the 2 lines of RSI 7 and 14 are above the level 70, which is called overbought zone. Now this is the bounded oscillator RSI. Why I said bounded? Because if you can check the 3 RSI we have, and then all 3 RSI we have a lines of 70-30, the ratio 70-30 and 70-30 in all. Doesn't matter if I'm choosing a 7 RSI, if I'm choosing 14 RSI, or if I'm choosing 21 RSI, all having 3 parameters: 70-50-30, 70-50-30, 70-50-30. So the area of 70, which is belongs to the red line, the area of 70 and the above area of 70, which is called overbought zone. What is the meaning of overbought? Overbought meaning we think that the price of an hello guys, am I audible? If am I, to please comment. Hello. Hello. Please let me know if I am audible. Say yes or no. Hello. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. So yeah, I'm discussing about that overbought and oversold zone. So overbought zone is a level 70. If the lines is going above level 70, then we think, the situation is like that the chart of asset now has become overboughted. That means the price is going to be, the trend of the price might be changing some time. Same condition when we saw when at least 2 lines of RSI indicator are under level 30. So that means the price is going to be oversold. So it is a good signal for a price to increase. In that case, the third RSI line is approaching to level 30. Remember, I said approaching to level 30. Approaching is a different thing and crossing is a different thing. If you remember, in past I told two RSI lines. Which two RSI lines? RSI number 7 and 14. If the two RSI lines crossing the RSI level 70 or 30, we can open the trade. But the third RSI should be below 70 and above 30. So let's try to open some trades. We need a signal for this trading. How to open that signals? Okay, remember this thing. When the line is, all three lines are working, moving near to the level 50, area of 50, please do not open the trade, because that is called, as I mentioned you before, the price of the trend of uncertainty. That is a price trend of uncertainty. So what we need to do, we need to change the asset time to time. Unfortunately, here we don't have. Let's start from open. Okay, commodity composite index, we don't have signals. Usually what happened actually, whenever the price is coming up to down and down to up, this level 50 always changing the line sometimes. So if you open the trade, now you see the price is going up. Let's try to open a trade for upper trend. What we will get. So why I open the trade? Because this price is just moving from the level 50. However, this is not the way of the trend. Please remember, I am just opening the trade for checking. Please remember, this is not the way of open the trade. We just need to open the trade only in terms of condition when the price moving towards to 70 or crossing the level 70 or crossing the level 30. Otherwise, we should not going to open the trade. We need to wait for the signal. If you are not getting the signals, guys, please don't open the trade, because usually we are getting the unsuccessful trades because of this impatient situation. So we a little bit missed the chance. But if you can check over here, the level 30 is just touched the line. Oh, sorry, the RSI 14 is just touched the line and going up. And the other hand, what we saw, on the other hand, we saw the RSI 70, RSI 7 was just below the line. RSI 7 was below the line, RSI 14 just touched the line, and the RSI 30, it's moving around 20. Remember one thing for an upper trend, RSI 20 should be the level of around 25, because if it's not going to be around 25 level, then I can say the trend is still going a little bit down, or it's going to be dicey like this, one candle green, one candle red. And whenever you are going to open the trade with that situation of one green, one red, it's going to be actually problematic. So now you see the 70-30 level is below and this line is just moving. RSI 21 is near to the level 30, but not approaching even the 25 level. But yes, we can say now we have this. But proper signal, how to find? Proper signal only you can find when you see the properly line moving from up to down or down to up. If the lines are not moving, because this is the time which is, I'm always saying, that is a crucial time. Why? Because some news always coming in that moment. Some datas are coming on that point. So at that side, market a little bit volatile. And also after 10 minutes, the American market is also going to be open. So before the opening market of American market, the market is always going to be dicey. So in that terms and condition, please try to avoid trading. Always use your mind, not heart, for trading actually. So okay, let's find some signals. If we are getting some signals, let's do some trades with the strategy. No. So the concept is what? The RSI indicator basically shows the period, small short term and long term also, and also showing the potential reversal point when the chart is overbought, means a went too much up, or oversold means a decrease too much up, decrease too much. But if the chart is not decreasing too much or not going went up too much, then that is a crucial situation, because this is not the time to open the trade, or either you need to wait, because unnecessary, if you are going to open the trade by just for checking, then it's going to be a problematic. So how to open the trade for an upper trend? When at least two lines of RSI 7 and 14 are under the level 30. At that moment there is a second situation also, or maybe it's just touch the line or little bit cross the line and coming up. So that is the point. This candle, the previous candle was the point to open the trade. You need to open the trade exactly when the curve is a start of RSI 7 and 14. We need to open the trade over there. So when at least two of the RSI line 7 and 14 are under level 30 in the oversold zone, it is a good signal for a price increasing. What is the time frame usually you need to choose? You need to choose the time frame of 1 minute graph time. Now I opened the trade with the 2 minute trade duration is 2 minutes. Why? Because the line is not crossed the level 30. It's just touched and coming up. And also I opened the trade with the second candle. If I could open the trade on this candle, the first candle, then I could definitely open the trade with the 3 minute time frame minimum. So average time frame is 2 to 5. Usually the working time is 2 and 3. Average time frame is 2 and 3. 2 and 3 minutes is actually providing you the proper situation. Basic concept is whatever the graph time, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter whatever the graph time. Your trading time should be 2 to 5 times higher than your graph time. Meaning is, if you choose the graph time 1 minute, then your trading time should be 2 minutes to 5 minutes. If you choose the graph time 5 minutes, then your trading time should be 10 to 25 minutes. But the average time frame you can choose with the 5 minute time frame of graph is 10 to 15, like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. If you choose the graph time of 10 minutes, definitely 20 to 30 minutes you can choose easily. Okay. For a downtrend, you need to find the signal. The two lines should be go above the level 17. And what are these two lines? 7 and 14. If the two lines going above the level 70, then that is a good signal to open a trade in a downtrend situation. At that moment, please remember your third line, 21 line, should be reach the level of around 65. So where we not going to open the trade with this strategy, because every strategy having some kind of issues. What is the major condition to not open the trade? If you already saw the condition of like the line number 21, which is the most important line and slowest line. The line number 21, if going to cross the level 70 or level 30, then do not open the trade. Why I am saying this? I'll show you. Here you can check both lines are up, but here on this situation you can see the level 21 line is crossing 70 level, and we got the upper trend till a long time. If you count the candle 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20, around more than 20 trades, the trend are going up. And when you see the trade are the 21 level candle is going below the level 30, in that case the trade are do not open the trade for upper trend, because what we need to do, we need to open the trade in situation of like if the two RSI level 7 and 14 is going above the 70 or below the 30, then we need to open the trade. But what if the line number 21 going above or below 70.30, then we should not going to open the trade, because now you see here, I make it a little bit more zoom. Check this one, the line coming down, 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 and the level 21 is crossed. Level 21 crossed the level 70. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and after that there is a condition of uncertain trend. Always remember, once the level 21 reaching near to the level 70, we found a small chances of curve. Now as you see, now when this line reaching this level, we have a small curve over here. So that curve showing us a signal. Always open the trade once the candle started. Once the candle start, whenever you check this signal, you can find the same pattern. See this one, the candle going up and then coming down. Also here the 70 and 14 levels are up and the curve is coming. So why I am suggesting 3-minute time frame? Maybe you could open the trade on this candle on a starting way. So this is going up, but the next two are coming down. That's why we called it technical strategy. That's why we always call this to the technical strategy, because this is the things when we just need to understand the proper signal of the strategy, and do not open the trade once the 2111 line is moving too much high, upper side or downside. Unfortunately, at this moment right now there is not too much signals. As I mentioned you where to open the trade, how to open the trade, and what is the exact candle to open the trade. So we saw there is not too much good candles. However, I'm using the risk-free trade, so that's why I'm not having too much any situation of profitability and losses. But now you can see, even if we are having a losses, then there is the situation when how you can open the trade and you will get the situation, because there is no signals at all at that moment. If no signal means no trade. Okay guys, some other things I would like to share with you with the strategy. Whenever you open the trade with the strategy, please remember one thing: a profitable condition, like the high market activity periods, means the better signal. And what are the high market activity period? When we are getting the signal on the trade, and when we are not getting the signal, like this is the situation right now. As you see, this is called the low market activity period. This is called the low market activity period, and here we should not open the trade. Either change the asset, and if you saw all assets is working like the same, then stop your trade. Just watch, wait. Maybe some peoples of India and other peoples are know the movie RRR. So there is a famous dialogue of in the movie of RRR: load, aim and shoot. So you need to follow the same: load, aim, shoot. So period of the high market signal is always meaning the better signal. A low market period means do not open the trade. The most active time period, usually you can open the trade by using this strategy. You can 24-hour open the trade, no worries. But what is the actual and better timing? The better timing is morning 10 to 8 p.m. as per GMT3. If you can ask me about the Indian timing, that going to be 12:30 to evening 10:30. But this is the time, like 6 to 6:32 or 6 or 6 to 7:30. That is a little bit crucial time in the evening time, because the American market is open, some economic news are coming, so that's gonna be problematic for you. Always remember to avoid trading during the release of the important economic news. Like today we have some important economic news. The CPI data is released for the Europe and the Britain also, the inflation rate actually. Tomorrow we have some data, so you can check. I'm just setting the Indian time. So 6 p.m., 7:30 and 9:30. This is the time when we should avoid the trade. Okay, and one more thing, whenever you open the trade, do not go only with the 90% or 93%. You need to choose minimum 80 to 90. Whenever you find the trend, open the trade. Whenever you find the trend, you just open the trade and that's it. There is a condition, a formula I can give you. If you can open the trade with that strategies or any other strategy, no matter if you use the triple rebound or whatever the strategy, the formula is if you deposit, let's suppose $1,000 in your account, and if you calculate the average of your trade, which is going to be a minimum 100, so you should not going to open the trade more than $100. First of all, do not increase the amount of $100. Just open the trade with the $100 and just calculate the average of the 100 trades. Do one thing according to me. Do trading as per the strategies, as per the timing. Do not open the trade with less timing, shorter time frame. Make time frame bigger, like 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute, no worries, or 10 minute, 15 minute, 20 minute. Then you will see the result. I can say that you will get the results which is going to be 60% profitability minimum you will get. The 60% rate is going to be positive for you. How to open this trade in Forex? If you want to open the trade in Forex, just you need to change the graph time. Any of the trade you are going to do, you just need to change the graph time. Again, I'm putting this strategy to you. Just a moment. Triple rebound. Okay. What is the graph time you need to choose? You need to choose the graph time from 15 minute to 4 hour. It depends on you. Well, I'm using 4 hour, someone using 1 hour. When you putting the graph time of 1 hour, half hour, 15 minute, then you will get the even more better and proper signals. You will find a trend. You will be able to find the trend in the strategies, in the currencies or anything. So the same way you need to open the trade. If the two signals are same, open the trade for downtrend and you will get a chance to get a downtrend properly. If the two signals are coming below the line, open the trade for an upper trend and you will get a signal for an upper trend properly. Same. So the trading plan which I shared with you, you can follow and you will get the signals and you will get the profitable trades also. But guys, your own wish of the trading, you need to control your emotions. First of all, you need to control your overconfidence and just trade with patience. You will get a chance of profitability. Chalo, let's take some questions. Sabir Ali, good evening sir. Good evening Sabir ji. Mr. Rajwan, hi bro, hello. What are the success rate of the triple rebound strategy? There is no success rate of any strategy. It depends on two things, guys. Maybe you getting 4 unsuccessful trades continuously. The reason of 4 unsuccessful trade is 2 only. One is you are making a mistakes and continuously making the same mistakes in your trading, or secondly, every time you are not able to make the mistakes, guys. Market is also become bad. So but every strategy is providing a better success rate, which is you are not getting in the normal way. The success rate is going to be 60 to 80%, sometimes 85 and 89%, but it's not going to be 100%. Nobody here who's getting the 100% success rate. Nobody. Rakib Sheikh, hello ji, hello. Balaji KR, sir, my deposit amount not credited in my account 20 days ago, not support. I'm sorry, Mr. Balaji. I can understand and I'm sorry for the inconvenience. I would like you to send your bank statement and details to the support department. Please note the ID of support-hi@olymptrade.com. Send your details. They will definitely going to contact you by phone or by email. And don't worry, you will get the money. This is my promise to you. Maybe now or after some days, but you will get. Okay, Mark Trader, hello. Honey boy, you give signals. I'm providing you how to get signals. I'm not providing signals, sir. Sorry. Lina G said this strategy is very hard. You better to learn it very well. Yeah, actually, the strategies is hard once you start the trading with that strategy. But when you start trading with this strategy and become a habitual of this strategy, then I must say that this is one of the finest strategy in terms of the technical condition, like rodeo, jactar, and triple rebound, kind Martin. These are the strategies which is working in the rodeo and triple rebound is the counter trend system strategy. So that is working fine. It's fine. However, whenever you are having any kind of confusion, just stop. Do not open the trade in any kind of confusions. Okay. Arul John Jacob, fake app, don't use it. I'm sorry to hear about this, sir, but could you please share your experience why you are saying this? Because I'm sure that you are having some kind of experience and that's why you are saying this. Please let us know, and I'll try to giving you the proper and appropriate answer according to that. I'm sorry for your inconvenience, sir. Okay, सुगन जी सेट सर हिंदी में बोले. मैं माफ़ी चाहूँगा सर, आप गलत चैनल पे हैं. बिकॉज ये जो चैनल है ये इंग्लिश वाला चैनल है, ओलम ट्रेड ग्लोबल. अगर आप हिंदी चैनल से जुड़ना चाहते हैं तो आप कृपया करके यूट्यूब पर ही सर्च कीजिए ओलम ट्रेड इंडिया के नाम से. ओलम ट्रेड इंडिया हमारा हिंदी वाला चैनल है, जहाँ पर आपको सारे के सारे जो भी कंसल्टेशंस हैं वो हिंदी में ही मिलेंगे. ये यहाँ पर हम इंग्लिश और अन्य भाषाओं में कंसल्टेशन करते हैं, तो प्लीज़ मैं माफ़ी चाहूँगा, यहाँ पर एक्चुअली आपको कुछ समझ में आएगा नहीं. ओके, हेलो सर, इज़ द ओलम ट्रेड a scam? Suggest me to the best platform. You can find your answer after checking the details of Olymp Trade, because if you can ask me, definitely I will give you the answer. Yes, the Olymp Trade is the best and everything is fine. Even I am working here as a trader from last more than 6 years, and many of the people who knows me, I am providing the consultations also and the webinars also. So if this is the scam, then it's the long relationship is not going to be work in that condition. Olymp Trade is one of the finest and better platform around the world, not even in India, around the world. We are the member of Financial Commission. We have a license from the Financial Commission, and any other broker, please let me know, or any other broker provide any kind of consultations. We are providing the consultation just because we want you to earn with the learning. That's why we are providing the webinar, the consultation, and otherwise who cares? If we want your money, then we are not going to provide you any better things, na? So please trust and just trade with the trust. Don't worry. Olymp Trade is one of the fine and best platform in the world. Do you need to switch between a strategy or stick with one? Nice question. Do not stick with anything. Do not stick with anything. If you think or if you see the strategy is not working, change it. This is the strategy level. Okay, let me tell you one thing, guys. Please remember, those who's coming from the India or around the world, no worries. When we are going to choose the strategy doesn't mean that this is the guarantee of the success, or if the one strategy is enough and providing the 100% success rate. Alright, here you can check the things. This strategy means this is kind of the team of Indian Premier League, IPL, or some English Premier League's football team, or Spanish leagues kind of football team like Real Madrid, when the all stars are working together. So it doesn't mean if the triple rebound is not working, that doesn't mean that nothing is going to be work. If the triple rebound is not working, then maybe rodeo can work, then maybe jactar can work, maybe kind Martin can work, maybe millennium can work. So you need to change every time. If you use the things and if it's not working, then please change it. Do not stick with the single strategy, do not stick with the single timing, do not stick with the single asset. Always change. Just like you are driving a car and changing the gear always, all the time. You can't drive your car in a one gear. Lavish Guru, thanks a lot for the profit, doing it from London. What's your name again? Hello Lavish Guru, my name is Hemant Modi. Thank you so much for watching our webinar. So guys, this is the time to go. I hope that you like the webinar. Please share your feedbacks also, and if something is going bad, then we will try to recoup it for sure. So thank you so much. Very good evening to you all. Have a nice day. Please take care. Namaskar. Jai Hind. Bye bye. Take care.